So guys, this is the revision and we will discuss almost everything for today. So I will print screen this question and I will put this and I will copy paste to Microsoft Word. So let's try to do this. Okay, for question A, Boris invests 550 at a rate of 2% per year, simple interest. Calculate the value of the investment at the end of 10 years. So how do you do this? So you need to memorize the formula for the simple interest. Okay. How do you solve what is the formula of simple interest? The future value is P 1 plus RT. Okay. Wait. Yep, there you go. That's it. So how do you do this? Okay, just copy paste, right? So P, what is P? The present value. What is FV? Future value. R is the rate. T is the time taken. So per year, simple interest for 10 years. Okay, it's very simple. So 550 times 1 plus R, 2 over 100. Make sure you put the 100 times the time taken. 10 years. You do it yourself. I don't want to solve it one by one, wasting time, right? So Marlin invests 550 at a rate of 1.9% per year compound interest. So you need to understand that this is compound interest. So the formula is different. So future value is P 1 plus RT power N. Okay. Okay, I did some mistake. 1 plus R to the power of N. That's it. 1 plus R to the power of N or T. You can use either way. N is amount of time. T also time. So 550, 1 plus 1.9 over 100. Be careful about this, to the power of 10. Okay, so this is following. You just put the calculator, and actually, if you want to know about the further explanation, actually this is the arithmetical sequence, right? And this is geometric, but we try to make it more simple. Okay, we don't have to use UN equals blah blah blah. No need. Now, question C. Hans, I invest 550 at the rate of X% per year compound interest. At the end of 10 years, the value of the investment is this. Correct to the nearest cent, find the correct to the nearest cent. Okay, nearest $0.01. Find the value of X. What is X? X is the R, right? So if you do the compound interest, look at this, the compound interest, the formula will be same with question B. P 1 plus R to the power of time. Okay. 1 plus R, not H. 1 plus R to the power of T. The future value is 638.3. I just ignore the zero and use equals 550 times 1 plus X over 100. Okay, this is challenging, to the power of 10. But if we have the calculator, you don't have anything to be worried about. Okay, let's do this question. There you go. So what to do first? You divide 638.3, you divide by 550. That's for the first thing that you need to solve. Okay, 1.16. I just round the number, 1.161, let's say. Okay, 1.161 equals 1 plus X over 100 to the power of 10. Again, we need to find the X. We have the obstacle right now. What is the obstacle? The power 10, right? So what you need to do is try to 10th root of Y, because you can ignore the 10, right? Pay attention in this case. So do the calculation. There you go, 10, right? It's extremely using calculator. The calculator use is extremely needed. 1.015. Okay, 1.015 equals, you just ignore the 10. 1 plus X over 100. See, So 0.015, right? I just put the subtraction to the 1 to the left side, 1 going left equals x over 100. So x is 1.5%. Okay, again, this is a rounding number. I put the answer. Why? Because it's quite hard. That's still number 1. We still have some more numbers, many more numbers to go. Okay, that's for number 1. Let's do number 2. Okay, what the heck is this? Okay, so the 200 student also estimate in the total area of the windows in the classroom. The table shows their results. Okay, now copy or calculate the estimate of the mean. You must show all your working. Okay, showing the working is not too hard. For part 1, what you need to do is try to create the x mean on each range. Okay, and this is the frequency. I think I need to put one extra space here. Why? Because it is more efficient. Okay, don't think that if you draw another extra table, you are inefficient. No, you are efficient right now. So how do you calculate the x with the bar on top? It means that x mean of each of the range, you just plus the minimum and the maximum divided by 2. That's it. So 20 plus 60, 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. So this is the middle range, right? 60, 100, 80, right? You add by 2. You add the number and then you divide by 2. 250, 125 then, right? 150 to 250, 200, right? You add the number, divide by 2, that's it. Okay. So x, this is the maximum times plus minimum plus not minus, careful, plus x minimum over 2. This is the rule for finding the middle range, mid-range it's called. So how do you calculate the mean? Do it on the one x times f. Again, you must show all your working. So you cannot just put on calculator. You just multiply this with, ya kalau gini udah calculator aja. Okay. 40 times 32, pelan-pelan. Okay. 40 times 32, 1 to 80. 80 times 64, 120. And then 1 to 5 times 80, 10,000. Means 4,800, right? And then the mean or average is equals to, add all the numbers, again, show all the workings. 1,000, 10,000, 4,800. You divide by 4. Wrong. You divide by 200, right? Because the total frequency. Jangan pikir ini ada 4 kategori itu jadi 4 ya, hati-hati ya, salah total itu. Jangan sampai kayak gitu. Oke. 1 to 80 plus 120 plus 10,000 plus 4,800. You divide, oh, good number. 106. That's it. That's for the estimation of the mean. This is not an exact value of the mean. Why it is called estimation? Because we estimate also the mean, right? The x. Now copy the histogram and show the working, show the information table. So the frequency density is supposed to be the frequency. Okay, I put it on below part 2. The frequency density is always the frequency over the range. Okay, now what you need to do is try to find the range of each of the intervals. Okay, range is 20 and 60, so 60 minus 20, 40. Sama nggak? Nggak harus ya. Ini jangan sampai bilang sama, ini sama. Nggak ya, kebetulan aja. So 100 minus 60, 40 also. 150 minus 10, 50, right? So 150 minus 150, 100. So the range formula equals to the maximum subtract by the minimum. If you want to find the middle range, you plus. See the difference? 1 plus, 1 minus, and you don't have to divide by 2 anymore. Okay, and then you do the frequency density one by one. So frequency density, taruh sini aja. Frequency over the range, 32 over 40, right? 0.8, 64 by 40, 1.6. Oh, hell no, wait. 1.4, okay. And then 80 divided by 5, 8 by 5, 1, 3 over 5, 1.6. 24 by 100, 0.24. Oh, udah ada 0.24 sih, lu lihat ya. Udah enak nih, lihat ya guys. So, udah 0.24 udah ada nih kan, 0.0, and then 5 bars, each one. So, each bar contains each bar range is 0.2, okay? Okay, I just do it one by one so you can get the sense of the scaling, right? 1.6, 1.8, and then you put you can start from the left or right, up to you. But if you start from the left, be careful. It starts from 20 to 60. So 20 to 60 here, right? And then 60 to 100, slowly but sure. 100 to 150, that's it. So from 20 to 60, the frequency density is 0.8. So you put here, right? Make a dash line biar ada indikatornya. Okay. And then from 60 to 100, 1.4 is a bit on top. Yeah, there you go. Okay, close. 1.6. I'm not sure. 64 by 40. Salah kan? 64 by 40 is 1.6 also, guys. Ini ya. Salah hitung tadi. Nggak pakai calculator tadi. Ini ya, 1.6 also. Sorry, this is wrong. Okay, and also 1.6. Oh, it's the same. No problem. Okay, that's it. Now do the next question. I copy this. Any questions over for number 2? Ya, jadi masih bisa dikerjain kan, masih oke lah, ini gampang. Now, number 3. Okay, I put this. Okay, it's interconnected. Okay, now, 2 students are chosen at a random from those who that estimate the area of the windows more than 100 meters. So this is the condition. So where is it? Kita lihat cuman more than 100 aja ke kanan. Nggak yang ke kiri lagi. Ya, yang kita lihat yang ini aja yang kanan. Ya. Focus on the right side. Okay, pay attention. Focus on the right side. This one. How many students here? Okay, simple. 150, right? Ini sama ini doang diambil. Okay, 150. Out of, wait, sorry, salah. Out of 104. Okay, out of 104. So the total amount of student is 104. So this is over 104. Pay attention. Over 104. Find the probability that the student estimate the area to be greater than 150 meters square. Greater than 150 meters square. Dia ambil yang pertama, and this is the first student. And the other student estimates the area to be 150 or less. 150 or less, tapi ada startnya dari sini conditionnya. Oh ya udah, first student yang mana? First student yang kanan, 80 kan? Sorry, 24 kan? So 24 over 104, you multiply by the second student. The second student left side ini berapa? 80 over 103. Why it is 103? Because first student is picked already, okay, and you can get the answer easily, right? You just multiply with calculator. Do it yourself. I don't want to answer this at all, okay? Waste of time if I do everything, yeah, guys. So you may do it by yourself. Next, B. The box and whisker plot shows information about some student test. So you have to memorize for box and whisker plot. So box and whisker plot, as always, the front part or the beginning is the minimum number on the box, it's Q1, Q2, Q3. That's it. Q1, Q2, Q3, and on the far right is the maximum point. Okay, write down the median mark. Median mark is Q2, right? So median mark is 70. Work out the range, maximum minus minimum, right? Ini gampang. So maximum is 90, minimum is berapa? 12, right? Because this is 10, 5 bar, 10. Jadi 12. Bukan di 10 ya, dia di sini ya, di 12. Okay, we get the answer 77. Wait, 78. Okay, easy peasy, not that hard. Still manageable, right? Again, let me know if you have further question. Number 3. The media. Oh, oke lah. Nggak susah. Tapi harus gede dikit. Nomor 3-nya gue copy paste dulu ya guys. Jadi biar lebih langsung. Jadi kayak dikerjainnya di soal. Terus di bawahnya si gambarnya. Oke. Taruh di sini, nanti tinggal bikin, dijawab ya, gitu ya. Intinya use the diagram to find an estimate of bla bla bla, mean, median, lower, apalah gitu. Oke, bikin. Okay, use the diagram to find an estimate of the median, lower quartile, interquartile range, and the number of houses with a floor area greater than 120. Okay, again median, lower quartile, interquartile range, artinya lo harus cari Q1, Q2, Q3 aja. Kan the total frequency is 80, so this will be the position of the median. Right, in the middle of 80, you divide by 2, 40. This is the median. Or Q2, right? I just write Q2 here. Or median, sama ya. And then I use the other color. I use blue for the lower quartile, or Q1. Okay, this is Q1, or lower quartile. And the upper quartile is 60, right? Because half top. Jadi second half of the second half gitu mikirnya. Ya, kalau ini, enak nih. Pakai ini enaknya bisa straight line. Pas banget 120 guys. Oke, gampang. So ini Q3, taruh. This is Q3. Kok Q1-nya nggak di sini? Bukan ya, jangan kejebak ya. On the left side is the position of the Q1, but not the value itself. So the median is Q2, 40, and then this is 80, 90 ya, in the middle. So the median is 90. The lower quartile is 60. Wait, ini 20, 10 bars. So each bar 2 ya. Jadi 64. Oh, no. 62, 64, 66, 68. Okay, hati-hati jangan sampai salah. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So minus 68. Q3-nya lu hitung lagi. 120 pas ya, asiknya enak angkanya. So 54, 52, dan the number of houses with floor area greater than 120 meter square. So greater than 120 meter square. So it is here. Right? It's too dark. Make it lighter. Start from here. Right? And then you go right. There you go. So this one. Okay. So start from 60 until 80. So 80 minus 60, that's it. 80 subtract 60, so 20 houses. Okay, that's it. Now, what is the next question? So ini kita bikin pitch break. Insert pitch break. Nih, dah. Nah, langsung lanjut ya. Number 4. Solve this. Oke lah, ini nggak susah. Kita cepet aja. So for number 4A, piece of cake, you do by yourself. So 8x minus 12 equals 24. And then do it yourself. And this one, 6x more than 6 minus 14. Lanjutin lagi, 6x more than negative 8. Do it yourself. And rearrange the formula, v equals 2x cubed minus 3y cubed. And make y as a subject. So if you want to make y as a subject, what you need to do, put the y solitaire. 2x cubed minus v, and then y cubed, right? 2x cubed minus v over 3. If you want to find the y, do the cube root, right? So y equals cube root of 2x cubed minus v over 3. That's it. This is the answer. Okay, not hard. Still manageable. Still doable, of course. Number 5. Enak, gambarnya gampang. Yeah, it's quite simple. For number 5, this is the stem and leaf diagram. Copy, start from the smallest one. After you do, you cross 15, 17, 18, 19, 19, right? 2, 22, 24, 24, 25, 39. Lu bikin serapi mungkin ya. And then 3, 31. Oh, nanya lupa gitu yang coretin. 31, 5, 6, 8, right? 5, 6, 8. Bener gak? Ada jawab, ada berapa? 14 ya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's it. So find the median. So how do you do the median? 14, right? So if you have 14 days, the median is, it is divided into 2 parts, right? 7 and 7. Do we have the exact data in the middle of the 7 and 7? No, right? No exact data. So you have to pick the 7th and 8th data. What is the 7th data? We have the stem and leaf diagram, stem and leaf diagram. What you need to do is try to order. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Why I square the number? Because it is to calculate the median. So 24 plus 24 over 2. 24 also. Kok ditulis ulang sih? Kenapa 24 plus 24? Ribet banget sih Mr. Hans. Kenapa nggak 24 aja? Enggak, I kasih cara. Ya, I put the working. Kalau 24 and 25 beda loh. 24 plus 25 harus tulis. Range, very easy. 15 and 38. So 38 subtract 15. 23. See, it's easy. For number 5, still easy. And then we do number 6. This is easy ya. Oh, ini nggak gampang. Oh, nggak deh, gampang juga. Lihat ya. Wait. Kurang habis. Number 6, let's see. Follow me. And try to grasp the logic and let me know whenever you cannot do some question. Okay, in front, calculate the size of one of these angles. All the other 4 sides are the same. Okay, lu bisa pakai 2 cara. Kalau saya pakainya udahlah lihat aja berapa banyak sih size-nya. 1 hexagon kan. Hexagon berarti kan 6, right? Sum of interior berapa? Kalau 6. Nah, hafalin. Sum of interior berapa sih? N minus 2 times 180 degree kan. Ingat ya ini. So, N-nya 6 kan. Minus 2 because hexagon. Atau 6-sided, right? Times 180. 4 times 180. 720. Right? And then udah ke occupy 90-90, sisanya dia bilang sama ya, all other 4 angles are the same. Let's say this is X, this is X, this is X, this is X. Calculate the size of one of these angles. Very simple. So 4X plus 90 plus 90 equals 720, right? This is 90, 90, and the rest will be 4X. So 4X equals 720, subtract 180. Aduh, gue malas hitung. 720 minus 180, 540, okay, you get it, 540, and the x will be, of course, it is an obtuse angle, divided by 4, 135 degree. That's your answer. One of this angle aja udah gitu. Yang diminta cuma satu aja angle, ya. 6 done. 7. Oh, okay, you need the formula of triangle. So where is the most complete triangle? The most complete triangle is ABD, right? Ini yang lebih lengkap, yang first triangle. So we can start from there. Apalagi udah jelas ya. Yang A dimintanya AD. So to calculate AD, you need, okay, udah ada 2 adjacent sides and 1 angle. So AD using cosine rule, cos rule. So AB square plus BD square minus, right? Ingat ya, ini nggak boleh sampai lupa ya. Minus 2ABBD, right? 2ABBD cos B, right? Ingat ya, yang ini cos rule ya. Cos rule. So AD square nggak tahu, AB square 55 square plus BD square minus 2. Kenapa sih misalnya nggak pakai square root? Buang aja langsung begini. Nggak suka, lihat aja. Preference. Lu boleh ikutin, boleh langsung masukin formula, no problem. Times cos 40. Nah, itu mah calculator ya. Nggak bisa nggak nih, karena dia soalnya anak beranak gitu. 55 square, then plus 70 square, and then minus 2 times 55 times 70 times cos 40, right? Answer 2026.4, okay. 2020, 26.4, blah, blah, blah. So the AD will be square root. Square root. 45. Oh, 45 aja, enak nih. Angkanya dikasih difur sama dia. 45 meter. Done. Calculate the value of BC. How do you do the BC? Okay. To find the BC, I think we cannot do too fast. Why? Because we haven't get this angle and the other angle. But you look at this. Parallelism. Right? This side is parallel to this side. It means we have to deal with something about either co-interior, alternate angle, and also corresponding angle. We have the help of 40 then, guys. So this is also 40 degree. Why? Because alternate angle. Okay, I almost forget about this. So B, how do you calculate AB? BC, I'm sorry, BC. Okay, we have the opposite angle. We use sine rule, right? Sine rule on triangle BDC, right? On the second triangle. So 70 over sine 32 equals BC, we want to find over sine 40, right? And then how do you calculate BC? Simply put the 40 sine 40 on top. So BC times sine 32, or do the cross multiplication, it's better. 70 times sine 40, and I can put sine 32 on the right side over sine 32. So you can find the BC, simply put on your calculator, right? 70 times sine 40 over sine 32. So what I try to tell you about this, you try to look at my workings, find the most efficient working. This is 84.9. Okay, still you cannot round to 85. It's too brief. I don't think you need to round that number. 84.9, 3 significant figures, right? This is 45.0, so let be 45. It's okay. But 3 significant figures will be like this, and then area of ABCD. Okay, after you get this, put it first. 84.9. So in order to calculate the area of ABCD, how do you do then? Okay, nggak susah sih kayaknya. Berarti yang C itu area 1 plus area 2. Benar gak sih? So use the area rule. So area rule will be A1. Area 1 gampang aja. Area of triangle 1. Half times AB. Saya tulis formula ya. Times BD times sin 40. Plus area 2. Kita punya 2 sides di sini. Ya, half times BD times BC, right? Times sin B. Oh, B-nya berapa ya? Bisa dicari. Kan ada 40 sama 32. Gitu ya. So, sin B. Or DBC. Belum tahu. Gitu. Ya. So, half AB, what is AB? 55 times 70. Taruh aja. Times sin 40. Plus half times BD, BC, 70, 84.9. Ya, 70, 84.9. Times sin DBC, I kasih rumusnya 180 minus 40 minus 32 ya. Bisa dong, kan triangle tinggal sisanya gitu. Oke, calculator aja langsung guys. Gue udah gak mau mikir. Gue gak mau jawabin juga, lu hitung sendiri. Gak bisa, harus dihitung. Coba deh, karena ada question D ya. Oke, 0.5 times 50 times 70. Calculatornya udah cukup pinter kok, tenang aja. 70 times sin 40. 124.8.9 sorry, plus ini half times 70 times 84.9 times sin 180 minus 40 minus 32 close the bracket, jangan lupa gue salah hitung 180 nih salah. Lebih kecil. Oh, 7 point salah taruh guys, sorry. It's 7 point 70 harusnya 70. Okay, nah 2826.0.1. 2826.1. Okay, now get the answer. Plus 1124.9, 3950.9. 3951, right? Karena kan dia, lu lihatnya di sini. 3951. Unit meter square. Okay, now calculate the shortest distance from A to BD. From A to BD is, oh, nggak susah ternyata. A to BD, lu harus cari ini. A to BD, ini BD-nya ya. Right? Jadi shortest distance yang mana guys? Yang perpendicular pasti. Shortest distance pasti perpendicular. Ini ditanya. Oke. Kita tulis aja height. Taruh aja height. H. Height of the first triangle. Right? Kita lihat lagi. So for question D is quite challenging karena dia udah kayak soal beranak. So the area of one equals half times base times height. Gak usah pakai cosine lagi. Kita pakai regular. Why? Because the height is being asked. I mean, so area 1 is 1124.9. Udah dapet kan, makanya bilang selesain aja semua gitu. 0.9 equals half times the B. Base is the BD yang ditanya. BD udah ada. BD times by the height. Taruh semuanya dulu ya. Half times, what is BD? 70 times height. Nah, ini lu hitung sendiri dah. 35 times height. Height-nya lu dapet. Oke. Jadi hitung sendiri. Gua nggak hitungin. Oke. Copy paste. Ini agak susah ya. Jangan sampai entengin soal ini. Ini lumayan susah. 8. Factor. Oh yeah, your exam will be held on 2 hours in this question. Ingatnya 2 jam ya. Main time. Find in terms of P and or Q, yeah, and or Q in the simplest form. So PT, okay, PT by TQ 2 by 1, ini 2x, ini 1x, right? Or x itself, no need to put 1. There you go. Now, find MQ. Okay, MQ. M is the midpoint, I see. So, if MQ, so MQ is half P, right? Because MQ is half of this, M is the midpoint. So if this is P, this also on top of also be P, right? This is also P, so MQ is half P. It's okay. MT, how do you calculate MT? Again, you need to use the formula. MT is MQ plus QT. This is the first thing first, right? Jangan langsung ditulis, nggak bisa. MQ berapa? MQ half P, right? QT-nya nggak ada. Lah, gimana nih? Kita tahu OR is R, right? So, QP is negative R because it is opposite distance. Opposite direction. Okay. So OR-nya ke atas, R berarti QP-nya ke bawah. Nah, masalahnya QT berapa? So QT, we know that QT is 1/3 times negative R, right? Kan dia satu, ini one part, ini total 3 parts, right? Itu total kan 3x kalau you bikin-bikin. Ya kan? So QT is negative R/3. Dapat MQ is half P, right? Plus negative 1/3 R atau 1/2P minus 1/3 R. OT. OT is OP plus PT. Nah, OP-nya berapa? OP udah P tadi ya, langsung P. PT berapa? 2x. 2 out of 3, right? 2 out of 3 R. Kenapa nggak negatif? Soalnya dia sama-sama ke atas. Kan PT ke atas, gitu. Okay, now next. RQ and OT extended to meet at U. Okay, I just redraw the working. Oh, wait, I just draw one more time. So you can see this easily, nggak numpuk jadinya. Gitu ya, yang salah deh. Oh, lupa di layer. Lihat ya, yang B ini, especially for question B. Lah, capek deh. Bentar. Ini dikit. Nah, dapat langsung. Oke, lihat ya guys. Lu lihat semuanya. Jangan nggak ada yang nggak lihat. Fokus. Semua harus lihat. Dia extend RQ. Saya kasih yang lebih tipis saja. Hijau aja deh ya. RQ. Sama OT. Nah, ini dia. Oke, find the position of the vector U. Nah, ini U ya. Oke. In terms of P and R. So, what you can do now, kita lihat. Q, U-nya kita nggak tahu. Ya kan? Q ya. Tapi kita bisa pakai similarity, guys. Lu lihat similar triangle. Lu fokus di similar triangle-nya di sini. Ya, tebelin ini, terus ini, sama ini ya. Oke, lihat nih, pelan-pelan. TPO. Oke. So, what is the similar triangle? Yang atas kecil sama yang bawah. So, Q over RO, right? Ini over ini, yang kecil over yang gede, sama dengan UQ over UR, right? Equals, ini arrow-nya jangan lupa ya. Arrow itu penting banget. Equals to UT over UO. QT udah ada, ya. QT itu tadi negative 1/3R, right? RO berapa? RO itu R, negative R, right? Penting ya dia punya arrow negatif-negatifnya, soalnya dia vector. UR berapa? UQ berapa? Nggak tahu yang kita mau cari kan. UQ over UR. What is UR? UR is nggak tahu juga. Tapi kita tahu. UR is UQ plus plus QR. Benar nggak? Udah, QR kan udah ada. QR tuh negatif P, guys. So, cross-cross gitu ya. And cross-cross 1/3 equals UQ over UQ minus UR berapa? UR itu UQ plus QR. QR itu kalau nggak pakai distance bisa sih. Karena kan dia P plus gitu aja, P aja kan. Nah, ini minus juga sama aja, capek tapi. Oke, so kita cari UQ in terms of P dulu. So UQ plus P equals 3UQ. So P equals untuk UQ dulu ya. Jadi P equals to UQ. So UQ equals half P. Wow, oke, ini half P juga ternyata. Ternyata sama ya, half P nih ya. So kita bisa tahu yang ditanya apa sih? Find the position factor of U. Berarti OU yang ditanya. OU berarti OR plus RU. Ya, OR plus RU. OR berapa? R. RU berapa? R to U kan berarti ini tadi P plus half P. Ya, berarti 3/2P. Selesai. Ada yang mau nanya nggak? Ini susah ya, yang B. Yang C, vector formula. Ya, so MT 2K negative K, and the displacement of MT is square root of 180. Right, so lu tinggal masukin formula aja. MT equals square root of x square plus y square. Ya, so 180 square root of 180 equals square root of 2k square plus negative k square. Gue kerja pelan banget nih. Terus kita ilangin square root-nya. 180 equals 4k square plus k square. So 5k square equals 180. And the k square equals 36. So the k is plus minus 6. Right? Nah, kan square root aja. Square root of 36 is plus minus 6. That's it. Any questions so far? Guys, ada yang mau nanya nggak? Number 7? 8. Ada yakin ya, kalau nggak ada gue lanjut lagi. 9. Oke, lumayan gampang ini guys. Cuman harus disoalin dulu. Soalnya nah ini gambarnya soalnya yang ini. Yang B aja yang ribet. Yang B kita coba lihat ya. Dulu. Describe a fully single transformation that maps T to P. Hati-hati jangan P to T ya, T to P ya. Jadi yang E langsung ketahuan. Translation kan geser doang kan. Translation of going right, lu lihatnya dari sini ke sini aja. Going right by 1, terus going down by 6. Dah. Ya kan, ke kanan 1, ke bawah 6. Terus B1. Reflect the triangle T in the line x equals 1. X equals 1 is located here. Ya. Di reflection aja biasa. Ini reflectionnya equidistant. Ini dari sini, terus ke sini juga ya. Wait, bentar. Dia sini sama sini. Udah. Part 1 kelar. Ya, ini part 1, B1, tulis saja. B2, rotate through 90 degree, anti-clockwise, 60. Dia minta 60 di sini. Right? Anti-clockwise, berarti dia ke arahnya, lu lihat satu poin aja ini. Satu poin aja, satu aja, jangan banyak-banyak, kalau banyak-banyak susah. Anti-clockwise berarti kemana? Ke sini ya, 90 degree. Right? Ini 90 degree lu taruh, terus ini juga sama. Satu aja, habis itu lanjutan, yang pendek-pendek aja guys, jangan yang panjang-panjangnya. Ini jadi sini 90 degree, right? Udahlah, tawan lah, enak lah ini. Ya, terus yang ini terakhir, kayak begini, 90 degree ke sini. Ya. Jadi coba begini. Part 2. Ini triangle-nya ya. Ini cuma cara bantu. Enlarge of negative 2 scale factor, negative 2 center 1,0. 1,0 is here. Right? And then triangle T lagi, terus scale factor-nya negative 2. Negative 2 artinya dia on the opposite side. Kalau dia di begini, right, on the opposite side, dia begini, double-nya. Gitu. Berarti di sini. And then yang kedua, ya udah lu udah di sini kan poin ini sama ini. Ya udah lu nggak usah bikin stres banget, nggak usah di-stressin. Lu bikinnya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? because from 3 to 6, you want to agak nabrak. Yes, that's it. Nih. Okay, and triangle 3. The center is 1, 0. Okay, that's for part 3. B1, B2, B3 done. Everything is drawn properly. Okay. Okay, let's do the next question. 10. I try to do as much as I can, guys. Okay, PQR is mathematically similar to XYZ. So find YZ. Okay, it's very simple. If it is similar, the comparison of PR with RQ is with PR to XZ is equals to RQ to ZY, right? Or if you want to make it further, PQ over XY. That's it. Okay, and then do it one by one. 20.4 over 13.6 equals 15.3 over ZY or YZ. The question is asking you for YZ, ya udah YZ aja. Oke, dapat. Ya, lu hitung sendiri YZ-nya. Second, the area of triangle XYZ is 63.6 cm square. Area, careful. Side 1 over side 2 square equals area 1 over area 2 square. Yang ada side yang paling gampang ini aja lu cari. Yang XZ-nya YZ boleh juga, tapi kan YZ kan itu kayak rounding pasti. So, side 1 ini 1, 2. Kayaknya 1, ini 2. Oke, gampang ya. Jadi 20.4 over 13.6 bracket square equals area 1, nggak tahu, over 63.6. Oh, sorry, areanya nggak ada square-nya, guys. Sorry, ampun. Gini aja. Using the similarity rules. Okay, now the larger container has a capacity of 64.8. Nah, ini beda soalnya. Capacity sama area nggak ada hubungan. Yang kita punya hubungannya itu volume 1 over volume 2, side 1 over side 2 cube, sama side 1 over side 2 square. Nggak ada area sama volume digabung-gabung, nggak ada. Adanya begini, guys. Jadi yuk kerjain satu-satu. Yang ada complete liternya, yang ada complete kan volume. Ya udah lu dapet nih. Side 1 over side 2 cube equals larger ya. Oh, gua pakainya large ya. Side of the large over side of the small cube equals volume of the large over volume of the small. Right? SL over SS cube, nggak tahu dua-duanya. Volume of the large is 64.8 over 37.5. In this case, you need to do the square cube root for both sides. Okay, if you do the cube root, jadi cube rootnya dari 64.8 over 37.5. 6 over 5. That's for the side of the large and the small. Right? Next, baru dia bilang area of the smaller. Ya udah, di square lagi. Side large over side small square, baru kita pakai area rule. Over area large over area small. Right? Ini 6 over 5 square equals area of the large is 0.792 meter square over the area of the small. Lu hitung sendiri ya. Gua nggak hitungin ya guys, lu bisa lah ini, saya yakin. Okay, do it yourself to obtain the area of the smaller container. And then even baru half. Bener kan, saya bilang nggak bakal keburu ini. Now number 11. Dia rese aja sih nomor 11 nih ya. Kenapa banyak? Gitu aja. Dia kayak ngejelimet gitu. Let's see. Dia tanya WXYZ. Oke. Oke, maunya dia begitu ya. Wah, gile. Lu lihat nih. Capek sih kerjain ini. Oke, ada 85, ada 75. Langsung ketahuan nih ini berapa. Ya nggak sih? So ini angle-nya berarti kasih panah aja. 180 minus 85 minus 75, right? Bener gak? Jawabnya berapa tuh? Kalkulator manual aja ya. 180 minus 75 minus 85. Jawabannya 20 degree. Ini berarti langsung ketahuan ya. 180 minus 20, 160 degree. Cari sebanyak-banyak yang lu bisa ya. Terus ini V, dia nggak ada tangent-tangentan. V, terus lu bikin apa lagi? Oke, lu tarik satu bantuan guys di sini. Gue bisa di sini tarik bantuan dikit. Oke. X. Ini kan X nih. Ya. Berarti ini berapa? 2X ya guys. Soalnya angle on center and angle on the circumference, this is 2X. Right? And this is W, this is Y, what the hell? Wait, ini 20, oke, taruh lagi nih 20. Ini 20 degree. Ini 160. 55, 75. Wait, ada lagi nggak? X. X and W are equal sih, guys. Lu lihat ya, X and W are equal. Because it is subtended by the same arc. X equals W, tulis dulu X equals W. Right, ini lu bisa taruh X di sini. Nah, Y-nya nih yang agak-agak nggak guna nih sebenarnya, tapi agak susah dicarinya. V-nya berarti 180 minus 2X, right? Langsung ketahuan ya, V equals 180 minus 2X. Oke, what to do with Y? Y-nya yes, Kevin?
Sir, itu V bisa di 180 minus itu nggak sir, 2x?
Iya, ini bisa.
Tunggu.
Bisa ya?
Maksudnya di other triangle sir, yang ambil apa namanya?
Oh, ini.
Ya.
Oh, oke, nice. Thank you, Kevin. Bisa juga, bisa juga. Tapi tetap ya, Y-nya ini. Y-nya yang ganggu nih. Tapi yang pasti ini kan 90 degree. Ini 2X. Iya, gitu doang sih mentok di Y-nya. Tunggu. 75. Oh, dapat. Nih guys, ini kan 75 nih. Lu lihat yang warna. Gila, ini susah banget. Ini lu harus cari-cari nih. Nebak-nebak. Bukan nebak, mikir-mikir. Ini kan 75. Right? Subtended by the same arc. Ini juga 75, guys. See? Lihat ya. 75 degree. Okay, you can get the value of X. Then, how do you calculate the value of X? The X is, lu lihat triangle yang TPQ. Ya, TPQ ya. Jadi, ini kan 190 nih. Soalnya kan dia yang angle on center, right? Centernya dia 180 degree, right? So TPQ, so W plus 90 plus 75 equals 180, right? Ini W nih, plus 90 plus 75. So W is equals to, lu kurangin aja 180 minus 75 minus 90 equals 15 degree. Ya, W 15 degree, X juga 15 degree, sama dia. Kenapa sama? Soalnya kan dia subtended by the same arc sih, ini. So X equals 15. V-nya juga udah dapat guys, lu tinggal taruh ke sini. Ya, bang. V equals 180 minus 2X. Jadi 180 minus 30, 150 degree, right? We get almost all the Y. Nah, Y-nya tinggal lanjutin segitiga yang I bold nih, lihat ya. Ini Y-nya. Look at this triangle. Ya, udah ada tuh Y-nya, bisa dicari kok. So to calculate the Y, lu tinggal masukin Y plus 20 plus V equals 180, right? On the triangle. Terus Y equals, Y plus V-nya 150 ya, Y plus 170 berarti kan, ini kan 150 equals 180, Y equals 10. You get all the number that you need, all the needed questions. W, X, Y, V. Nggak ada Z ya, yaudah pakai V. V, W, X, Y, yeah, that's it. Okay, next. We still have some more minutes. Again, I will try to do everything. Ayo, capek banget sih nih. Gue lagi lihat soalnya udah malas panjang. Nih, ya. Lihat soalnya. Udah, sampai 12 aja deh hari ini. Besok 13. Ya, Friday. Sorry, agak kecil. Lo lihat. On Saturday, the probability of Aaron play football is 3/4 on Saturday. So, Aaron dulu, Aaron ya. Probably Aaron play football 3/4. Berarti sisanya 1/4 lah ya, pasti ya. Pasti ini kan dia one student, one people. On any Saturday, the probability Bob play football is 2/5. And the rest will be 3/5. Lu tinggal lanjutin ini 2/5, ini 3/5 lagi. Itu kan di kayak tree diagramnya, beres. Now question number 1. Question 2 ya. Calculate the probability Aaron and Bob both play football. Dua-duanya main, play and play, right? So 3/4 times 2/5. Hitung sendiri. 3. Calculate the probability that one Saturday either Aaron play football or Bob play football but not both. Nggak boleh dua-duanya. Berarti either play not play, Aaron play, Bob don't play, right? Or Aaron not play, Bob play. Gitu ya. Salah satu aja. Jadi Aaron play, berarti di sini kan 3/4 and 3/5 yang pertama. 3/4 times 3/5 plus, kalau Aaronnya nggak main, Bobnya harus main gitu. Ini ya, 1/4, 2/5. 1/4 times 2/5. Calculate yourself. Calculate yourself. B. Calculate the probability that Bob play football for 2 of the next 3 Saturdays. Jadi 3 Saturdays berarti Bob, kita fokus di Bobnya guys. Bob play-nya berapa? Play-nya 2/5 kan? For 2 for the next 3 Saturday berarti play 2 kali dari 3. Berarti dia play, play, not play, play, not play, and then play, not play, play, and play. Jadi possibilities-nya begini, ya. For Bob ya, ingat Bob doang. Bob play berapa? 2/5 kan? Main terus kagak main, berarti 3/5 gitu. Ini 2/5. Sebenarnya urutan doang yang beda guys. Lu lihat deh. Positionnya aja yang beda kan. Not play berapa sih Bob? 3/5 kan? Sisanya play. Udah lu hitung, lu tambahin hasil. Ya. Gitu doang. Oke. Dia pokoknya 2 kali main dari 3 hari Saturday, 3 Sabtu, ya, 3 Saturdays. When Aaron play football, the probability that he scores the winning goal is 1/7. Calculate the probability that Aaron scores the winning goal one Saturday. Oh, dia main and then score, right? So Aaron play and then he scores a winning goal. Berarti Aaron play berapa? Aaron play 3/4, right? 3/4. Dia habis main belum tentu pasti winning goal kan. Tapi dia winning goal, score winning goal 1/7 gitu. So this is the different probability ya. Ingat ya. Aaron scores the winning goal one Saturday. It means that he's supposed to be play first then win. Score a winning goal 3/28. Kecil sih, tapi ya udahlah, oke, dapat. Oke. Susah ya soalnya. Ya number 12 ini kayak baru lagi kan. Bener gak? Yang kayak jarang ketemu lagi kan soalnya. Ini nanti, ini gampang kok. Ini gampang. Beberapa hal ya bisa lah. I will stop the sharing.